Hello, today we're going to talk about Office 365. So from my CCU, I'm going to go to the Office 365 portal. From here, you can access all of your Office 365 web applications. So you can see everything listed on the left-hand side. This is all of the web applications. If I want to download standalone Office 365 apps, I can go over to Install Office, and then I can click here where it says Office 365 apps, and it tells you what it includes. If I want to see other installed options, so previously installed or the subscriptions that I already have, I can go to here and it'll show you your personal account. So I can go down here where it says get Office on your phone or tablet, and I can get iOS, Android, or Windows as well. So I'm currently using a Mac. It doesn't only have to be that version. There's other versions of Office that I can download as well. That's included with your CCU account. So if I go back to our home page for Microsoft Office, I'll see that there's the obvious Outlook Office email. So if I want to go to email, I can go through here, or I can go directly through my CCU. I can also access OneDrive through my CCU. I can go back to the office.com, and I can access OneDrive through here as well, where it says apps. I can click the waffle and then go to OneDrive. OneDrive is where all of your files are stored. So you can think of OneDrive as a locked filing cabinet and an online locked filing cabinet. And all of these files are only mine until I share them. So I have the option to share anything in OneDrive with somebody else. I can share it for anyone to view, so individuals or groups. I can share it just with Coastal members or anyone with a link, or specific people if I want. If I want to collaborate with somebody else, I can change it from view to edit. So this will change the entire folder in this case for everyone to be able to edit it that I share it with. So specific people or certain groups or everyone. Typically, I would only want to use the edit option if I'm sharing with specific people, because anyone can go into it and change that information. Because remember, up until this point, until I share, it is locked from anyone else. So if I'm going to share with anyone with the link, I would typically keep it as view. I can also share individual documents directly from my OneDrive. Or if I go into Word or PowerPoint or Excel, I can share it that way as well as I'm working on the document. So if we go into a Word document, you'll notice that the Word document looks very similar to the standalone downloadable option for Microsoft Word. This is just the web application. So I personally like the web application better because it saves in the cloud. So if I'm working on a document from one computer, it'll automatically save, and then I can continue working on it from another computer if I sign into my OneDrive. So all you need to do is sign into your OneDrive or your Office 365 account, and you're able to access it from multiple places. So that's why I personally like the web-based application better than the standalone one that you would find downloaded on your computer. So as I'm working on it, so we can change the name, you can type into it and edit it however you would like and insert various things. The nice part about the online version is you're able to search using the internet with no problem because you're already on the internet. Next, you're able to share. So I showed you how to share from OneDrive. You can also share directly from the Word document. So same idea, you can go to share, And right now it's anyone with the link can view. If I hit send or copy, I can also change the name of the individuals that I want to view and then just send it to those people. And once again, I can do the drop down and change it to edit. Or if I want somebody to review a document, maybe I'm writing research and I want somebody to review it but not edit it, I can put review. And that'll allow the person just to leave comments but not change anything that's written in the document. So once again, you have all of the features from the standalone, plus you have the option to share and collaborate. You also have the option to share. If you click on the left side of the menu, you can share and embed. So this will embed your documents into, let's say, a website, because you can copy this embed code. Keep in mind though, since you're working in SharePoint and not a personal OneDrive, if you're working in SharePoint, when you embed it, the person that's viewing it will have to sign in. So that's with the embed code, the person will have to sign in. So that is how you get into your applications, your OneDrive, look at your accounts. Once again, from your account, you can also download the standalone option. You can install Office directly on your computer. And everything is accessible through MyCCU. So everything from your Outlook, your OneDrive. We didn't talk about Teams, but Teams is useful as well for collaboration, and your Office 365 portal. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Thank you for watching.